Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all your liked TikTok videos. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Start by launching TikTok and head to your profile page. If you click the heart icon in the right side of the screen here, that will show you the page of all videos you have ever liked on TikTok on your account. If you would like to remove a video from here, you can simply open it and remove your like for it to disappear. You can change the privacy settings for your video likes by tapping the menu button at the top right of the screen and then selecting Settings and Privacy. Under Account, tap on Privacy, scroll down, and you will find under Interactions called Like Videos. Tap on that, and you can change the setting called Who Can Watch Your Like Videos. You can set it to everyone or just for yourself only. The heart icon on my page has now changed, and that means that my likes are public. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.